guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a glimpse into my evening routine as a working mom. As soon as I get home, I hurry up and throw some food in the oven for Riley, and while that's cooking, I try and get a little bit of cleaning done. On this particular day, I planned on throwing a quick crock-pot meal together, so I knew I needed to at least wash some of the dishes before going ahead and doing so. Make sure to stay to the end of the video so you guys can see how the recipe turned out. It was so good and it only took 2 hours. Share your favorite crock-pot recipe below. I think it would be such a great idea if we all shared a quick recipe that we could recreate during this fall season. And not to mention, I am always looking for new things to cook.
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. To Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me.
So the meal that I'm going to be making is the slow cooker Italian sausage meatballs in tomato Parmesan sauce. Guys, this was so good. This was definitely the first time I ever made it. I found it on Pinterest. It's super easy to make and I am all for that. I will leave the exact recipe and the links with the measurements and everything down below for you guys in case you would like to recreate it.
Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want to keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Of course, my little helper had to see exactly what mommy was doing, so I threw her up on the counter as I started to form all of the meatballs. Now, I will say one thing I will do a bit different the next time I make these is I will add a little bit of breadcrumbs into the mix because it helps keep everything together, and you guys will see in a bit that the meatballs were falling apart a bit and they also stuck to the pan.
We bought the leaves. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game. And we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is a minute that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break
I just finished putting Riley down for the night, and to be honest, guys, I feel like I haven't stopped moving since I got home, but that's typically what my evening routine looks like. So there's about 30 minutes or so left for the meatballs to cook, so it gave me just enough time to clean up the kitchen.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away.
It was perfect timing because as soon as I was finished cleaning, the meatballs were ready, and I decided to pair it with some veggie noodles that I had picked up from the grocery store. But this would also really be good by itself or even with some spaghetti squash. Remember, I will leave the exact recipe linked down below for you guys in case you would like to give it a try. But this is a super easy, quick recipe that you guys are definitely going to love. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.